Welcome to Bronco Bites on a Budget, where we show you how to make fast, affordable, easy meals. Today we'll be making some turkey tacos in a skillet. This will be protein-packed and delicious. For this recipe, we will be making taco seasoning with chili powder, smoked paprika, ground cumin, cayenne pepper, dried oregano, salt, and black pepper. You'll also need cooking oil, ground turkey, an onion, 1 can of diced tomatoes with green chilies, 1 can of black beans, 1 cup of frozen corn, and half a bunch of green onions. First, combine the spices for the homemade taco seasoning, then set the seasoning aside. Add the cooking oil and ground turkey to a large skillet. Begin to cook the turkey over medium heat, breaking it up into pieces as it cooks. While the turkey is cooking, dice the onion. Add the onion to the skillet with the turkey and continue to stir and cook until the onions are soft. Add the prepared taco seasoning, then continue to stir and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Drain the black beans, then add them to the skillet with the diced tomatoes, with juices, and frozen corn. Stir the ingredients in the skillet to combine, then heat through over medium heat. While the mixture is heating, slice the green onions. Stir the green onions into the skillet just before serving. You can enjoy as a topping on your nachos, in a tortilla for a taco, or add some green leafy vegetables for a delicious salad. Have fun with it! Bon appetit, Broncos!